What's up? All right, so this is like the third installment of me trying to fix my damn back. So I basically started re-implementing squats and deadlifts. And so far it's been good with the rehab I've been doing. I've just been doing like isometric holds or pausing at the bottom of the movement for squats, trying to be slow so I can help rebuild that. Any, I guess, residing like tendon damage or whatever, that's good for tendonitis. That's my assumption of what a lot of my pain was coming from. So far it's been good. Been waking up each morning and it almost feels like unnatural that I don't have a lot of pain anymore. Hopefully this continues. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. So yeah, it's kind of I feel like I'm living a different lifestyle now. It's not in the video here, but I'm squatting like, I think it's like 160 pounds, pain-free. The goal is to do like 225. I used to definitely feel it here. I wasn't even able to squat at all. And what's actually good too is when I deadlift, I'm not really having any pain deadlifting either. Albeit it is at a much lower weight, but I was still having some pain back then. Yep, so you can see here I'm just going slow and controlled. I definitely think I can pause the movements better. My last session I hit, my pauses were much longer, under more load as well. But I was definitely gassed this first session. It was my first time squatting in like 3-4 months. For deadlifts, I haven't actually been doing like normal deadlifts. I've been doing RDLs, Romanian deadlifts. Just extremely slow and controlled. So that helps a lot too. And I've also been incrementing the weight on my back extension work. Right now, on the back extension machine, I'm doing like 3 plates plus a 25. So it's like 185 pounds. So that's kind of similar to what I'm loading my back with on squats and deadlifts right now anyway. So that seems in line. And again, I'm doing those back extensions with like a rounded or flexed lower back. And I'm doing a lot more core and pelvic stabilization exercises. I think that definitely helps too. I'm not sure how much of that is actually contributing now to like the recovery process. I feel like a lot of it now is just reacclimating myself to heavier loads very slowly with the squat and deadlift. So yeah, the plan is to hopefully sometime next year compete in powerlifting again. And if not, I guess I'll just take the L and throw the towel in, but so far it feels pretty good. I've been going at a snail's pace. I'm kind of just working out 2 to 3 times a week. Pretty much almost like a full body workout. I do some back and chest on the same day with some core. The other 2 days are split with some distance in between for recovery for my legs. So the first day I hit some core work for my QL, my core, hamstring work, and some hip flexor work. The hip flexor stuff because that mainly ties into the psoas, which affects the lower back. And then, like I said, after that, I take a rest day. I do my back and chest day with some shoulder work as well. And after that, I do another leg day with just squats and deadlifts. Some core work again with hip flexors. Some pelvic movements. I've been doing a lot of bear planks too as well. Those have been helping a lot with like core stability, pelvic stability. If you don't know what a bear plank is, just check it out. You're kind of like hunched over, like your shoulders are rounded, your pelvis is like tilted forward, and you're on the tips of your toes so that your knees aren't touching the ground. It's a harder like plank variation. But yeah, as you can see here, I have a RDL set up. When I do these at the gym, I have a plate that I'm on top of so I can get more range of motion. But yeah, these have been pretty good. I was pretty gassed here as well. I used to do these for like, I think like, what's it, 2 reds? What is 2 reds in kg here? That's 120 kg, 245. Yeah, I used to do like 2 reds and a little bit more weight on top of that. So like around the 240 pound to 270 pound range for these. And I haven't been able to do that load. I don't know if I can. I'm not going to do it, obviously, right now with me coming out of injury, but I'm trying to work back up to that. And I'm just glad that right here I can do a red with no pain because I wasn't able to do that before. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My back's getting better. I'll probably post more progress with probably just my deadlift and squat weight going up again, and maybe post more normal vids. I plan to resume coaching soon as well, so that'll be exciting. So hopefully things keep moving forward smoothly. All right, peace.